Chapter 88. Think of something you did right today. Ooh, I like this chapter already. Ooh, I should make a YouTube video about that. Gotta think of the title and thumbnail, though. I don't know. Uh-oh. Here comes the construction crew. They're gonna think I look ridiculous filming myself reading a book. Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me. I'm nothing, I'm just reading. Yep. What would I say if they asked me what I'm doing? If I try to explain that I'm shooting some B-roll right now, they're going to be like, what's that? I don't feel like explaining it. Forget it. Go back to reading my book. No, I really can't focus on that right now. All I can think about is how they're watching me film myself with my new selfie stick. I look so ridiculous. Anyways, title, thumbnail. I got to think about the title and the thumbnail. Okay. All right, let me just focus on what I'm reading here. Who am I kidding? I got to go get my journal. I have to write this video idea down. Yeah. This would make a great video. Let me go get my journal. Okay. Got my journal. Let me write this down. Hold on, I'm thirsty. Let me take a sip of water first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, what was that video going to be about again? Can't believe I was just reading a book and now my mind is on my channel again. This is a better idea, actually. YouTube video idea. Inside the mind of a YouTuber. That title, I don't know if that's interesting enough. Private thoughts of a YouTuber? Secret thoughts? What would spark curiosity? I gotta take this to Poppy AI. Go through my craft framework from my titles. What would the thumbnail be? Would people even want to watch that? I don't know, maybe that's a dumb idea. Oh, I gotta remember I have to declutter my closet today. Write that down. I was just trying to read my book and now I'm thinking about my channel. Seriously? Now that I'm thinking about it, I am filming myself right now. This could be the video where I'm sharing my private thoughts. I'm already filming. I'm a genius. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Put this away. Okay. I'm just going to do a voiceover later over this footage. Now, back to reading my book. I don't really feel like it. I just want to look at the footage now and do a voiceover. I'm going to go look at that footage right now. Voiceover, here I come.